Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the audio service is not running on red X and sound icon in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you have a red X icon or here attaching to your sound icon, in this video, you'll be able to fix such, okay? So let's start by navigating to our start icon. Where here you need to do a right click and go with your device manager. The moment you have the click on it, wait until a new best match will appear, which is the device manager itself. Okay, so here you need to proceed on a setting which is sound, video, and game controllers. Now click this arrow icon to see your drivers. Now here you need to select your speaker driver. In my case, my speaker drivers is Realtek Audio. Just have to do a right click and go with uninstall. And the moment you have uninstalled that, before you proceed on uninstalling, make sure that this box attempt to remove the driver for this device is unchecked. Once done, proceed to uninstall and then restart your computer. Now, if you have the other, more than one audio driver here, just have to uninstall that, close this window, and restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, it will be automatically be installed again here in your Windows or computer. So basically, this step is harmless. It will only fix your problem. So once you're done, once you have restarted your computer, proceed to the second step, which is here at the bottom search bar, you need to type for services. The moment you have typed that, proceed to the system, which is services under the best matched, and go with open to continue. And wait until a new window will appear here in our screen. Okay, so once you are here at the services, you would be able to see a list of system and services, where in our case, we need to select any of the service and system, type W, and look for Windows Audio. Okay, again, look for Windows Audio and Windows Audio Input Builder. Now proceed to the second first, which is Windows Audio Input Endpoint Builder. Do a right click, go with properties, and set it into automatic. In my case, that's being set already into automatic. Click on apply and OK. Once you're done, proceed to the first, which is Windows Audio. Do a right click once again, go with properties, change the startup type into automatic, click on apply and OK. Once you're done, close this window and check if your problem has been fixed, okay? So those are the steps on how to fix your problem. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.